new UX 300H replaces the previous UX 250H, and the bigger number on the badge means it has a more powerful hybrid setup under the hood. Horsepower goes up from 181 horsepower to 196 horsepower, thanks to more powerful electric motors, and there's a new lithium-ion battery pack as well. Other updates include a larger available digital gauge cluster screen, enhancements to the driver assistance features, and a newly available color called Copper Crest. The price of the 2025 Lexus UX starts at $37,490 and goes up to $45,955 depending on the trim and options. The UX 300H is available only as a hybrid, and its powertrain consists of a 2.0-liter inline-four gasoline engine and two electric motors that combine for 196 horsepower. The UX is nimble and maneuverable thanks to its small size, and it provides a surprisingly plush and quiet ride. Official EPA estimates for the front-wheel drive 2025 UX 300H are 45 miles per gallon city and 41 miles per gallon highway. Inside, Lexus ensures that passengers know this is a luxury vehicle thanks to a dashboard with an attractive layout and posh materials. The UX also boasts standard features, including dual-zone climate control and power-adjustable front seats. The experience can be elevated with options such as heated and ventilated front seats, a head-up display, and snazzier materials. While the back seat is far from spacious, it's also not as cramped as one might expect. UX has a touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a mobile Wi-Fi hotspot, and 4 USB ports. The little Lexus also can be enhanced with numerous options that include a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen, built-in navigation, wireless charging, and an 8-speaker premium audio system.